Niaje tena wadau na wadau, let's Teqcher fly tena hapa, nimetokea tena na kahesabu manze, na leo tunaangalia division of logarithms with negative characteristics, all under logarithms. Remember this far manze, tumefanya addition, subtraction, multiplication, and now we are on division of logarithms with negative characteristics. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Niendele kukukanya usitumie calculator while finding these operations, because the calculator has no way of writing bar 6.2781. Remember, we are still looking at negative characteristics, which is to say that bar 6.2781 is not the same as negative 6.2781, as nimekuwa nikisema previously. Yani bar 6.2781 is not the same as saying negative 6.2781. This one assumes that kila kitu ni negative, while this one assumes is saying that only the characteristic, the first part which we are calling the characteristic, is negative. Then the second part which we are calling the mantissa is positive. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So fast forward, nikupe siri ya kufanya division of logarithms with negative characteristics. All you do, make sure first of all divide. First of all, I mean gawanyisha kazi. Separate. This is bar 6.2781. We can still write it as negative 6 plus 0.2781. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Remember, hii ilikuwa bar 6. Sasa nimeisema negative 6 because I have already separated the characteristic from the mantissa. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Then individually, then unafanya namna hiyo, then divide by 3. So we are basically rewriting bar 6.2781 as negative 6 plus 0.2781, but then we are dividing by 3. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Then individually unakuja unasema negative 6 divided by 3, then plus 0.2781 divided by 3. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So minus 6 divided by 3, basically utapata minus 2, and 0.2781 divided by 3 mtu wangu utapata 0.0927. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Therefore, this will be bar 2. Now you can add, of course, it will be bar 2.0927. And that is our answer. Siri ni moja, ni kuseparate kwanza hii kitu, and then you divide individually. You separate the mantissa from the characteristic. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. How about this one? Here again, we separate the mantissa from the characteristic. So it will be negative 4 plus 0.3763. Remember, unaandika tu negative 4 when you have separated. Otherwise, kama hujazi separate ni bar 4. So divided by 3. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. But then kuna sasa mambo unataka uone sahi. If I divide negative 4 by 3, nitapata ma remainder. So you are not supposed to proceed like that. So again, rewrite negative 4 into a number that is divisible by 3. So I can still rewrite negative 4 as minus 6 plus 2. Because now minus 6 is divisible by 3. Okay? So itakuwa minus 6 plus 2 plus 0.3763. And then mtu wangu, I combine these two. So itakuwa minus 6 plus 2.3763. And then now divide individually. Of course, this was still individually divided by 3. Divided by 3. Ilikuwa namna hiyo. So now individually divide them by 3. So inakuwa minus 6 divided by 3 plus 2.3763 divided by 3. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So ukifanya hivyo utapata minus 6 divided by 3 is minus 2. Unaona sasa sahi haina remainder. So that is why we had to rewrite minus 4 as minus 6 plus 2. And then 2.3763 divided by 3 inakupea 0.7921. Then when you combine, you will get bar 2.7921. Remember, hii ilikuwa minus 2 plus 0.7921. Wakati nitazi combine, sasa itakuwa bar 2.7921. Because then only 2 is negative, but not this part. And that is the answer. A very interesting perspective. What about this one? In 4.8618. Sasa sahi, in this case, the characteristic and the mantissa ziko positive. Hii kitu yenye inazidivide ndio negative. Interesting. Acha tuone. So itakuwa, you rewrite as usual. This will be 4 plus 0.8618. Again, divide by negative 2. Nikiangalia vizuri, 4 is divisible by 2 without a remainder, by negative 2 without a remainder. 0.8618 is still divisible by negative 2 without a remainder. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Now, so you come and say 4 divided by negative 2 plus 0.8618 divided by negative 2. What do you get? Hii utapata negative 2 plus 0.8618 divided by negative 2. Utapata 0.4309. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Which will be negative. Utapata negative because this is this over negative 2. So still utakuwa na negative hapo. Lakini kumbuka what I have been telling you all along. The mantissa can never be negative. So we have to find a way ya kutoa hii negative. Which nilifunza pale under multiplication of logarithms with negative characteristics. If you go back to that previous example, utaiona. So what do you do? In minus 2 plus minus 0.4309. So what you do, to remove the negative of the mantissa, we have to rewrite minus 2. We have to rewrite minus 2. Now, acha nikuje hapa kando. Minus 2 can still be written as minus 3 plus 1. Si ni kweli? So unakuja mali kuna minus 2, utaandika minus 3 plus 1. Because minus 3 plus 1 is still minus 2. So therefore, plus negative 0.4309. And then, combine hizi, lafu ibaki. So itakuwa minus 3 plus 1 minus 0.4309. Because we want our mantissa to be positive. So we have to say 1 minus 0.4309, of which itatupea 0.5 positive 691. Remember now tumefanya our mantissa to be positive. And therefore our answer, when you combine, it becomes bar 3.5691. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So manze, I hope umeelewa. Let's do the final example. This is bar 5.4416 divided by minus 2. Again, siri ni kawaida, split these. This becomes minus 5 plus 0.4416 divided by minus 2. Nimezigawanyisha. Vile tu tumekuwa tukizigawanyisha. Again, alafu najiuliza swali. If I divide by negative 5 by negative 2, will I get a number without a remainder. Will I get an answer bila remainder? Hapana. Nikidivide -5 na -2 nitapata remainder. So we have to rewrite -5. -5 can still be rewritten as -6 plus 1. Whereby -6 sasa inaweza dividika na -2 bila remainder. So this will be -6 plus 1 plus 0.4416. Mahali kulikuwa na -5 nimeandika -6 plus 1. Then plus 0.4416, then divided by -2. Therefore, this will be -6 plus, let us combine these two. Because again, 1 divided by -2 inakupea decimal. So you have to combine these two. Inakuwa 1.4416, okay, divided by -2. Therefore, this becomes -6 divided by -2. Sasa sahi unazidivide individually, divided by -2. -6 divided by -3, by -2 unapata +3. Then plus 1.4416 divided by -2 utapata 0.7208 negative. Utapata -0.7208. Again, ukiangalia the mantissa is negative, the characteristic is positive. We are saying the mantissa haiwezi kuwa negative ever. So what do? We rewrite 3. 3 can still be rewritten as 2 plus 1. So nitakuja niseme 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 mali kuna 3 niandike 2 plus 1, then plus minus 0.7208. Angalia vile ni rahisi. Mali kuna 3 nimeandika 2 plus 1. Okay, then plus -0.7208. Then combine these two. So itakuwa 2 plus 1 minus 0.7208 inakupea nini? Inakupea 0.2792. Then you combine. This will be 2.2792. That simple. Manze, I hope umeelewa. If you have any questions, kindly ask. Always rewind, utaelewa manze. Hapo sawa? Nice one. Goodbye manze. Meet you in the next episode. Kazi yangu manze kama kawaida, follow Teqcher pale YouTube, subscribe kwa channel yangu Teqcher, Twitter, Facebook, like page yangu. And for the first time nipate pale kwenye Google Classroom. Join class yangu kutumia the code provided. Bye bye.